are going to be the developing neural crest cells. And then finally, the neural groove sort of grooves on over, and it's like two waves sort of breaking into each other. And we get this tube, just like the surfers love it, the tube, right? And so basically, it is going to be literally the neural tube in this case.
But the neural groove is the neural tube?
Well, the neural groove is going to become the neural tube, right? So you'll be grooving and tubing out there, okay? And one of my best buddies, who you know, I've talked about him often, all out Jeff Harrison, is a maverick surfer, and he's all out as a practitioner. He's a nice practitioner. So he understands tube. So going for the neural tube there, and notice finally the neural crest cells are fully developed and they're ready to swim away. Once that tube is formed, where are we now? We're at 22 days, just 3 weeks down the road from fertilization. Isn't that cool? Notice that there's still more ectoderm involved. It's not just the nervous system. So we have the central nervous system, right? So let's sort of like have the next step here. Finally, at 21 days, we got the neural tube, and we have some surface ectoderm, and here's our fully developed, ready to swim little neural crest cells. So what you have to sort of remember now is that neural crest cells are going to swim to the various segments of the bodies. Remember how we had dermatomes? And that each dermatome is going to be like a thoracic nerve pair, and this like a spinal nerve pair. Okay, so that's the neural crest cells, and that's going to be at that point, at that level, it's going to be the spinal cord. Remember, we have 12 pairs of cranial nerves, and at that level, these will become cranial nerves, and this will be the brain. Right? And then we also have surface ectoderm, which is actually this right here. Here's some surface ectoderm now. Okay, so that's kind of interesting that the central nervous system, the peripheral nervous system, and even the skin are somehow related to one another.
So you saying